Car air conditioning system accumulates bacteria, which causes severe damage to air conditioning and health as well. Due to lack of proper maintenance, mold, fungi and other microorganisms starts to grow in your car's AC. People spend more time in car nowadays, so doctors also recommend AC to be sterilized professionally as it removes bacteria, fungi, bad odor and prevents its further development. So first we start cleaning outer AC, grill and vents with FoxyClean and brush specially designed for grill and vents. And we make sure car's engine is off and AC is also off. Now insert dispensing tube firmly to the AC duct and dispense foam cleaner till the foam comes out from the grill, which means this duct is thoroughly cleansed or sterilized, and then we follow the same process to other ducts as well.